20 Microns Limited stocks a leading provider of industrial minerals and specialty chemicals. Established in 1987, 20 Microns Limited is a renowned player in the industrial minerals and specialty chemicals sector. Headquartered in Vadodara, India, the company boasts a global presence, catering to diverse industries. Here are some key details. Stock price, as of the most recent data, the stock is trading at 377 rupees on today 23/8 2024 Friday. Stock PE 19.90. ROAS 21.70. Debt equity ratio 0.34. Profit growth 38.30%. It has experienced a one-year high of 346 rupees and a 52-week low of 110 rupees. 52-week high seen on 22 August 24 yesterday. Volumes today 0.73 lakh BSE. Face value 5 rupee per share. The stock is currently trading above its moving averages of 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, 50 and 100 days, 200 days, indicating a positive trend. Past performance returns, keep an eye on this company's performance. Returns in percentage 1 day 1.10%, 1 week 15.60%, 1 month 60%, 3 months 89%, 6 month 127%, 1 year to 0.7%. Market cap. The company's market capitalization, intraday, stands at approximately 1,189 crores rupees. Business overview. 20 Microns Limited manufactures and markets micronized industrial minerals and specialty chemicals. Their product range includes calcium carbonate, talc, kaolin, quartz, mica, barytes, and more. They serve various industries such as paints, coatings, plastics, ceramics, and agrochemicals. Financial performance. In June 2024, the company reported consolidated net sales of 230.55 crore rupees, representing a 20.99% YoY growth. On a standalone basis, their net sales for the same period were 200.76 crore rupees, up by 24.05% YoY. Like to know more? Top investors. Promoter 44.95%. Public 54.25%. FII 0.78%. What are the recent developments in 20 Microns? नवीनतम खनिज प्राप्ति समाचार के अनुसार इस साल जून में 20 माइक्रॉन्स की सहायक कंपनी 20 माइक्रॉन्स SDNBHD मलेशिया ने गो टेक लीन क्वारी SDNBHD और IQ मार्बल्स SDNBHD के 100% इक्विटी शेयरों की खरीद के लिए शेयर परख अग्रीमेंट पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं। इस खरीद की अवधि में एक सेडिंग RM15,100,000 मलेशियाई रिंगिट 15,100,000 लगभग 27 करोड़ रुपए की मौद्रिक मूल्य है। इसके अलावा 20 माइक्रॉन्स ने अपने खनन के अभियान को विश्वभर में बढ़ाने के लिए नवीकरणीय खनिजों के खोज के लिए एक विशेषज्ञ ग्लोबल खोज टीम को समर्पित किया है। इस टीम के अनुभवी वैज्ञानिकों और प्रशिक्षित कर्मचारियों के साथ लैस है, जो नए खनन स्थलों की खोज के लिए उन्हें उपयुक्त तकनीक और उपकरणों का उपयोग करते हैं। Before purchase the stock, it's essential to keep an eye on broader market trends, economic indicators, and any company-specific announcements. Factors like changes in commodity prices, regulatory decisions, or financial results can influence stock prices. Remember to stay informed and consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized insights.